I've seen it all over the internet as the most tackiest bag. And I'm like, first of all, honey, Louis Vuitton does not make tacky bags, honey, okay? Let's start there.
So I already know why you're here. Everyone's talking about the Louis Vuitton Neverfull and the fact that it might be discontinued. This is such a classic bag, so before I get into the review, I'm going to talk about the real details about what's going on. So I got this slide from a fellow YouTuber who spoke with the Louis Vuitton representatives, and this only applies to the permanent styles in the canvas and the leather, and you will have to purchase via Waitlist. No in-store or online availability, but here's the thing. There's expected to be a wait time depending on the store and the availability. Now you can still purchase the limited editions in store and online, but if you want a classic, I know exactly where to get them for even a cheaper price. Stay tuned to find out.
Hey everyone, today I'm here with a bag review. This is a what's in my bag / Louis Vuitton Neverfull review. I will be showing you guys my bag and whether I think or not it's worth it. I've seen this bag so long ago and it has been my favorite. So I said I'm gonna get this as my official work bag. I've had my bag for two years now, 2 or 3 years now. But this bag has been attacked for so long on YouTube by girls who barely can afford the bag. Let's start there. Like, this bag is not tacky. This is the epic work bag of the century. That is. Like, it's so pretty. So let me tell you why I got this bag first of all. I have been loving this bag since like 2012, 2013. And so I said to myself, because my sister, she's not my sister, but she's like a god sister. She was a school counselor and she had the bag. And so, you know, she worked hard, had checks on deck, and she purchased it. Well, back then it was only like 1,100, maybe 12, even up until when I got it. But now it has jumped up to like 1,400 for the MM, which this is the MM, which is like basically medium. And then you have the GM, which is like grande, or grand, the bigger size, the larger size. And they had the PM, which is like, I call it like pint size, but it's the mini size. It's not really mini, it's just a little smaller than this one, but they have discontinued that one at the actual Louis Vuitton store. So, but you can still get them on like the Real Real. That's who I work with, the Real Real and Rebag and Fashion File. So those are trusted sites, and I'll link those in the descriptions box. You can get the MM or the PM for as low as like 850 or like 9 something. They still may have those available. So check the descriptions box for the link if you want this bag on the low, because it's worth it. Right now, I'm just going to get to the punch. This bag is worth it. I could sell my bag if I want to for 900 or 1,100. I could sell it really for what it's worth. But let's say I just want to get rid of it because I want to get the next one, which is the black one. I definitely want the black one, but I'm going to keep this one. I could sell it for like $900 and get it. Because it's like fairly new. Even the older ones, the ones from like 15, 16, my bag is not dirty. The inside is not dirty. I have tons of stuff in here, so I'm going to show you guys what I do, what I wear, or whatever. So I just feel like this is a classic bag. It's a work bag. This is not supposed to be a 5-star restaurant bag. This is a work bag, unless you're doing a brunch or something at a 5-star restaurant. I really hate how the girls, the fashion girls who barely even have style, honey, get online and make these types of videos saying that this is just a trashy bag. And it's really not. It's for work. Maybe some of these girls need to get a job and get off of social media and live in the real world and have a work bag. Okay? Period. Thank you. As a teacher, this is the epic bag. It is durable. The leather is amazing. It is what it is. So first things first, of course, it's a work bag. You know, I already have to have my iPad. This is my new iPad. I use it for work, like school work, and also like business, like majority business. Majority. And then it has this for like little notes and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what I take. Sometimes I read my scriptures on it. Like if I'm at the ER or somewhere random, I'm going to read my scriptures or just like be on my iPad. So also, I like to have my little booty wipes. Just kidding. These are my sanitary wipes. I like these for either underarm or a butt check, you know, every now and then if you're you know, out for 8 hours a day. You have to poop a couple times or once. So yeah, these are perfect. Even if you have children, perfect. So this is my Bite aligners box for my aligners. Obviously, my invisible braces, basically. These are very affordable. And if you want to get a free impressions kit or $100 off your treatment plan, check the link below and start your journey. If you want to, you know, close up your gaps, that's what my problem was. So I always try to carry this with me, or at least just keep them in all day. So I keep deodorant on me as well. This is a native deodorant. I just like natural deodorants. I don't do aluminum anymore. I'm trying to avoid breast cancer, okay? But yeah, I just keep, you know, some hygiene stuff in here. Of course, I keep a few masks. I love the ones with filter. I have makeup on it. I typically only do the ones with filter, especially like traveling. So the best part about this bag is that it comes with another bag, basically. This is like a wristlet. It is a wristlet. I just don't have it on as a wristlet. Love the gold detail, and it has the inside Louis Vuitton, and it has like the compartment for like cards or whatever as well. So I love the fact that this bag has the interior clasps where it doesn't always have to be open. Clamp it on like that, and then now you have a 2-in-1 bag. So you can take the sides and just press it in. Now you have a new bag. This is the second way that you can wear the bag. So it's like a 2-in-1. It's like a Neverfull and an on the go all in one. So that's all for the review. Don't forget to comment below if you're really interested in purchasing the bag. And shout out to the Real. They always come through. And yeah. See you guys in my next bag review.